We'll guide you through how to use Todoist for project management. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by accessing the Windows Start menu on your desktop, so you can search for applications installed on your computer. Once the Start menu appears, click on the search bar and type Google Chrome to quickly locate the browser. When Google Chrome appears in the search results, click on it to launch the browser on your computer. After the browser opens completely, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the screen, type Todoist, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to begin searching for the website. From the search results page, click on the official Todoist website and wait for the home page to load correctly in your browser. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Todoist account. Then select the Open Todoist option to continue into the main application interface. To use Todoist for project management, move your cursor toward the left side of the screen where the navigation panel and project categories are displayed. Look for the My Projects menu and click the plus icon that appears next to it to begin creating a new project. After clicking the icon, a pop-up menu containing project creation options will appear on your screen. From this menu, choose the Add Project option to continue. A floating window will then appear where you can type the name of your new project. After entering the project name, scroll down to the Layout section and select the Board option, then click Add to create the project successfully. Once your new project view appears, click Add Section to begin organizing your workflow stages. Type the section title and press the Enter key on your keyboard to save it. Repeat the same process to add 1 or 2 more sections for additional project stages and workflow categories. Next, click Add Task in the leftmost section to create your first task within the board layout. Type the title of your task and press Enter to save it. As your task progresses, click and hold the task, then drag it into the next section and release the click. With these steps completed, you can now successfully use Todoist for project management purposes in daily work activities efficiently.